Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube design space. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to light up images or objects on Snapseed. So some people are asking me, if Snapseed is such a good editing app, can we be able to create such a lighting effect of amazing quality? Okay, like this using Snapseed. Of course, yes. I'm going to show you in this tutorial how I move from this image to this. So this is what I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial, and I hope you stick with me to the end. It's very simple procedures to take, and then at the end of this video you'll be able to do it yourself. Okay, I'm going to dive into the tutorial aspect of this video now. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here to see my Snapseed app. Okay, in case this is the first time viewing my video, okay, this is the app I recommend for this video. Okay, it is called Snapseed. You can get it from Google Play Store or whatever app you're using to download your apps. Okay, and then I'm going to click on it to start. So I'm going to tap on it, and then it's going to take me to this place. Now, but before I proceed, if this is the first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to subscribe with us and then turn on the notification to see more of our videos like this. Okay, I'm going to click on the plus icon here and then open it. So I'm going to select the image without lights. Okay, let's start with this from the beginning. Okay, I'm going to click on my tools at the bottom of my screen. You're going to see where the right tools there. I've discussed all of this in my introduction to Snapseed. In case you missed that video, do check out the description of this video to get access to the video as well. Okay, and then here I'm going to be working with 3 different tools under tools here. Okay, I'm going to be making use of my tone image. Okay, inside tone image, I'm going to be working with my brightness and my ambience lights. Okay, I'm going to be making use of my selective, and then also I'm going to be making use of my curves. Okay, there are different ways that you can actually be able to achieve this effect on Snapseed, but I'm going to be using this trick today to show us that this is really possible on Snapseed. So first of all, I'm going to click on my selective, and then here I'm going to tap on the area that I want to place the lights on. Click on it. I'm going to tap on it and then use my 2 finger to reduce it to the point or the area that I want this effect to be placed on. That is the center of the bulb here. Okay, after this, I'm going to just, as you scroll left and right, you're going to automatically add brightness to that area. Okay, if I scroll up and down, you're going to see other options that you can explore using this selective. So but the first one here is called brightness, so I'm going to increase the brightness at that point a little, and then here it is okay. Okay, after this, I'm going to leave it like that and check okay. So I told you again that the next thing I need to explore here is my tone image, right? So I'm going to click on my tone image, open it. If I scroll up and down, you are going to see other options that are embedded on that tone image. Okay, one of them I'm going to be working with is brightness. Okay, I'm going to increase my brightness for this whole of image. Just follow me to the end. Okay, I'm not going to increase it, and then also work on my ambience, reduce it a little. Then after this, I'm going to check okay. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the top of my menu here and then click on this icon here that you see there. Okay, I'm going to tap on it, and then you are going to see where the right view edit at the bottom of your screen here. Click on view edit, and then you are going to see all the effects that you have applied on this particular image here. And then you first applied selective before you apply tone image. So I'm going to click on the tone image option and then select the center option there, which is my brush tool. Okay, and then what I'm going to click on it is going to take me to this part. Now I'm going to have some options at the bottom. Now if I click on mask, it's going to automatically apply all the effects on this particular image. Now I'm going to uncheck the mask. Now I also have another option here which looks like a human eye. So I'm going to tap on it. Now when I select it, if I'm clicking on this, it's going to apply the kind of filter that is going to indicate the intensity of the effect of that brightness that I'm placing on this particular point in the image. Okay, if I'm clicking on this part now, you're going to see it's going to be giving me this filter effect. So mean that if I uncheck it now, you are going to see that brightness has been applied to those particular place that I am marked on. Okay, now I'm going to go and then reduce this to 0 so that I can easily erase them off. Now I want to apply this brightness effect only to the top part of this image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase this to 15 and then reduce my image. I'm going to reduce my image to this point and then increase it to 50. I'm going to tap on here. Okay, just like this is okay. Now I'm going to use my 2 finger again and then expand this a little more. Okay, I'm going to increase it to 75 and then tap on the center portion of that bulb. Okay, I'm also going to increase it to 100 and then zoom it a little more to get the innermost part of that bulb as well. Okay, I assume that is the point where the light source is coming from. The intensity is going to be more. So after this, I'm going to uncheck this and then zoom back a little and then select OK. Okay, this is before and then this is after. One last thing that I will need to do on this is to go to curve. Now here I want to change the color of the light that I applied on this. I want it to have a kind of a blue feel. Okay, and as a result of that, I'm going to go here and then check on these options that I have here. I am going to select blue and then increase it a little, just like this. And then after this, I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go back here and then click on my view edit again, click on my curves, click on my brush. Okay, and I'm going to zoom back a little like this. Okay, I'm going to click on this area, just tap on this part which is supposed to take that feel. Okay, I think it is okay. Now I'm going to check OK. Now I'm going to zoom in a little more and then here we have it. So this is it. So this is before and then this is after. And then this is how to professionally light up any image on Snapseed. Okay, and I hope this video helps. If it does help, please don't forget to subscribe with us, turn on notification to stay updated anytime we drop more of a video tutorial like this. Okay, thank you and then see you next time. Goodbye. Namaste.